Namaskar, I am Prakash, astrologer, presenting you weekly forecasts, week commencing 14th of December till 20th of December for 2020. The whole weekly prediction based on Indian Vedic astrology. You can take this prediction according to your moon sign as well as your ascendant, your rising sign, your Lagna Rashi, for all of you. This particular period, where I said, this is a time period. The moon is transiting in 8th house. Taurus, you come across these kind of situation scenarios. Transit a moon in 8th house. Transit a moon in 8th house. When the moon is transit 8th house, this particular period will not bring any good news for you. When the moon is transit in 8th house, this movement of moon through 8th house brings some troubles time. When the moon is transit in 8th house, this particular period portends troubles, obstacle in your everyday life. When the moon is transit in 8th house, this particular period bring along unexpected happenings. Financially, this particular period when the moon is transit in 8th house, this particular period brings a lot of challenges, complication, hassle. You could find difficulty recovering your dues, closing any favorable deals, you'll be struggling to making any profitable deal with your business ventures, ideas. When the moon is transit in 8th house, maintaining coordination with people around you, with your employer, with your family, with your senior at work, with your partner, will not be easy. You don't want to be in bad books of anybody, and you end up in a lot of arguments or conflict with people around you, personally and professionally. And avoid any disagreement with anybody, and you're susceptible to make a lot of new enemies. When the moon is transiting in 8th house, at that time, you're only making a lot of enemies with your language, with your attitude, with your mannerism, with your reaction, with your dialogue. Do not be trapped in any unnecessary conflict with anybody, particularly this time. When the moon is transiting in 8th house, health would require attention. When the moon is transiting in 8th house, especially taking care of your health, especially you're susceptible to developing a problem in your digestive system, as well as issue with your breathing or respiratory system. Be gentle with your joints. Avoid any unnecessary fear, anxiety. This will prove to be taxing your mind. When the moon is transiting in 8th house, make a constant effort not to compromise on anything good. Do not take any risk, particularly this time. Whenever the moon is transit in 8th house, do not put yourself in any kind of risk. Don't take any risk, please. No. Transit of moon for Taurus in 9th house, 17th December till 19th of December. Transit of moon in 9th house. Transit of moon in 9th house. When the moon is transit in 9th house, this time period, I say this particular period, you have to work really hard. More hard than usual in order to achieve your accomplishment or goal. Health need attention. You become susceptible to a lot of health problems regarding stomach or regarding breathing or chest when the moon is transit in 9th house. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you may also suffer from lack of sleep. Mentally you feel tired, exhausted, become lethargic. When the moon is transit in 9th house, this particular bring along, may I say that you'll perform a lot of religious work, charitable work, spiritual work, and you'll be participating in a lot of charity related work, yes, and you'll create a name fame through that, yes. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you're also likely to get a fame in society through charity work. When the moon is in 9th house, and may I say that financially can be a tough time. If you're thinking to move your money, start your new business, starting a new venture project, or sort out your inheritance, nothing will work out according to expectation. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you have to keep a close eye on your friends as well as your enemies. And you'll end up with a lot of arguments with people around you, personally and professionally. And last thing, you need a living conflict on your back. No. Hold on to your respect and honor in society when the moon is transiting in 9th house. By avoiding unnecessary conflict with anybody, mentally you will suffer from anxiety and feel overburdened sometime. And you have to be extra careful regarding your decisions or choices, whatever you are making during this phase of time. The moon is transiting in 9th house. Be careful. Transit of moon for Taurus in 10th house, 19th of December till 21st of December. Transit of moon in 10th house. When the moon is transit 10th house, this particular time period will also bring along fulfillment of desire, achievement of goal, attainment of comfort. Material gain, financial gain, if you're planning to start something new, this gives you the time to do so. When the moon is transit 10th house, this particular time period, assure your success in all your undertaking. When the moon is transit in 10th house, this period would also be favorable for you, for your family, generally be very happy and content. It's a good time in your workplace. When the moon is transiting in 10th house, when the moon is transiting in 10th house, you may expect honor, promotion, appreciation at workplace. When the moon is transiting in 10th house, this period will bring along position of authority, accomplishment of your objective at workplace. Your respect in society is going to rise during this phase of time. If you're female, be cautious and avoid any conception related to trouble. This period will see you going through a lot of health issues, male or female health issues. Look after your health and well-being. You could also get a taste of very finest food. The moon is transiting in 10th house. Taurus, in this coming week, you must sort out your Sun, Mercury, Venus, Moon, Rahu, Ketu. For prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, bad debts, lack of flow of income, loss of income, lack of peace of mind and happiness. With the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out your plan for the best. If you want to achieve complete weekly horoscope report, then what you're waiting for? Visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the full weekly horoscope report and achieve the best. Taurus weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll go through professional and financial ups and downs and challenges. Your income can be low, but expenditure can be higher than your income. You must be aware of domestic argument, conflict. You must be aware of any kind of financial losses. You'll come across lots of professional changes and development. You'll come across health complication and hassles. You'll be blessed with major obstacle, delay, waste of time and complication. There will be fruitless running around, major struggleful situations, hassles, sometimes too much tension and complicated circumstances. You'll be going through family relationship crisis, disputes linked with inheritance. You'll be blessed with financial gain and family comfort. You'll be blessed with a new project, new ventures, new idea. There will be, you got to pull up your socks, you got to work hard. There will be professional progression, new financial professional opportunities. There will be a stress level beyond your imagination and health issue. You'll be meeting a lot of new professional people and getting the support to things done, dusted. Due to many professional complications, you'll be quite upset and sometimes very much annoyed. Beware of any cheating, deception, fraud. Refrain from any conflicts and argument with anybody. You'll carry lots of secrets which you don't want to share with anybody and go through a lot of secret enemies. You have to keep a close eye on secret enemies. You have to. Taurus, task of the week. Donate whole meal atta, whole moong dal, rice to temple the langar. Do keep honey in a silk clay pot. Precaution of the week. Refrain from any conflicts and argument. Chanting of the week. Aum Hanumate Rudratmukaya Hum Fat Aum Hanumate Rudratmukaya Hum Fat. More you do it, more you achieve it. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complication and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.